Today I decided to change and put latches on all of my cages. All my cages are do-it-yourself cages. I built them myself, and all of the wood came from scrap, like wood left over from when they building houses. I would go by and pick up the wood or they would donate it to me. But today I'm putting these latches on my cages. Normally I would just go and buy one, but I decided since I put this one on first, it's been on here for 3 weeks, it's been standing up, so I decided to replace and put this on the rest of my cages.